Yeah, thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, I just want to first of all agree with my brother here, Honorable Wambua, on the issue of on the issue of chairmanship of the Commission for Political Parties. That one of gender, I quite agree. That we need to have a the person chairing from different gender and the person who is deputizing from a different gender. But we need to add that the other person must come from a different party. They must come from from political parties. Mr. Chairman, I also want to just give my frustration on this word deemed, which you have removed. You have removed the word deemed and replaced it with the deregistration. And replacement of deregistration simply means retaining the status quo, because when you deregister, you remove him from the party. He is not going to be a member of political party, but he is going to remain as a member of parliament, because removal of a member of parliament has been changed. The one you quoted, which was once you cross the floor, once you cross from your party which sponsored you to elections, you move to another party or you support another party which did not sponsor you in the elections, then you lose your seat and you go for election. That is what we used to have. What we have now is that a member of parliament can either resign or be recalled. And that process of recalling is very complicated. So how do we amend the law so that when you register a member from a political party which sponsored him to parliament, then he loses his seat? Otherwise, the people, they will just continue the way it is until the next election. They will not feel anything. They will just continue to be members and support the ruling party the way they are doing. And I don't think they really will bother. It will not bother them because the situation will remain the same. So we should not be clapping for deregister. You deregister them, so what? They will just continue because they are already working with order. They are order. And the other one is the other one I want to I wanted to comment on is on the Electoral Commission. On the Electoral Commission, you are saying that there will be a chair. There will be a chair, but elected by the 7 members. Once you select a chair, and you say the decision will be made by the commission. But I have not heard you defining for me what commission means. What is the quorum? How many members will make that decision to say that the commission has made that decision? How many of them will make that decision so that you say the commission has made a decision? Of course, you have made them 7 so that, you don't have and I don't know whether this chair has any extra vote to decide, or he is just a chair and he doesn't have you call it casting, the casting vote or something like that. So how the devil is in the detail. We want to know the detail of what this commission means.